Listen, guys, I've been really trying to figure out this YouTube channel thing, trying to dial it in. I've been trying to make it entertaining. I've been trying to put my music in there, I've been pushing hope. My goal is to push hope, and a lot of my music and stuff, it's all got that message. But, I stripped that out of there. And no more music on my channel. It's going to be all information. It's going to be all carpet cleaning, floor cleaning, and what I can give you. Because I realize, in the end, it's not really me you're watching. You're watching what I can give you. And you know what? I'm fine with that. Because in the end, I feel good when I'm giving. Some stuff like this. Some t-shirts. Better Way Industries. Teaching people there's a better way. But really? Is that all waste? What's that doing? I got almost 10,000 subscribers. I've been doing this for almost 5 years. Getting tired. I think I should be 200,000 subscribers. So if you value what I give, if you value what I promote, pushing hope, trying to teach people how to build their own business and change their life, literally, then like this video, comment below, share this video. If you value me, share this video, okay? Share it anyway. Even if you don't think anybody out there would be interested, share it anyway, because you never know. And at the same time, you'll be helping me, and that would make you feel good about yourself, wouldn't it?